आप सभी का स्वागत है स्टडी एग्जाम में। दोस्तों यहाँ आपके लिए मैं लेके आया हूँ एएलपी सीबीटी 2 के लिए तैयारी करने के लिए आपके लिए टॉप मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो कि इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग के हैं। दोस्तों इसमें मैं आपके सामने 50 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आपके सामने डिस्कस करूंगा। फ्रेंड्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं ये, इन क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग जरूर लगाएं। मैं आपको दोस्तों इसके आगे 50 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूंगा और फ्रेंड्स इसके मतलब कि मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आपके सामने लेके आ रहा हूँ। सो फ्रेंड्स चलिए आगे बनते हैं। इस वीडियो के साथ बने रहिए आप लोग और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा जरूर फ्रेंड्स, और चैनल पे अगर आप लोग नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। चलिए बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चंस के साथ जो इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग के 50 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, इफ अ क्लाइंट ऑफ योर्स इज हैविंग डिफिकल्ट visualizing a design, what type of drawing would you be the easiest to understand? Axonometric, three view orthographic, one view orthographic, or D bimetric? The correct answer is A, the axonometric. Which of the following is not a pictorial drawing? Isometric, multi-view, perspective view, or axonometric? The correct answer is B, multi-view. Multi-view is not a pictorial drawing. Next question. Which of the following projection method does not use projectors perpendicular to the projection plane? Isometric, orthographic, oblique, or axonometric? The correct answer is C, oblique. A circle will appear on an isometric drawing as a AN is what? Ellipse, cycloid, circle, or parabola? The correct answer is ellipse. A circle will appear on an isometric drawing as a ellipse. Okay friends, next question. An axonometric drawing which has two axes divided by equal angle is dimetric, trimetric, orthographic, isometric. Correct answer is answer A. It's dimetric. Dimetric. An axonometric drawing which has all three axes divided by equal angle is A. Dimetric, B. Trimetric, C. Orthographic, D. Isometric. The correct answer is D. Isometric. In a trimetric drawing, the relationship of the fall angle between axes to each other is what? 3 are equal, 2 are equal, 3 are unequal, none of the above. Correct answer is D. None of the above. Question number 8. In an isometric sketch of a cube, A. The frontal face appears in its true shape. B. The receding axes are at 45 degrees to the horizontal. C. All faces are equally distorted. D. Only the depth distance must be reduced. The correct answer is C. All the faces are equally distorted. Okay friends. Next question. In isometric drawing, two axes are perpendicular. True measurements can be made only along or parallel to isometric axis. All faces are unequally distorted, or none of the above. The correct answer is B. True measurements can be made only along or parallel to the isometric axis. Okay friends, as in isometric drawing only the true measurements can be made only along or parallel to the isometric axes. In an axonometric, the projection rays are drawn to each other and what to the plane of projection? Parallel, oblique, oblique, parallel, parallel, perpendicular, parallel and parallel. The correct answer is C, parallel and perpendicular. Means in axonometric, the projection rays are drawn parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. Next question. One method of drawing an ellipse that represents an isometric pictorial circle is known as the box construction method, the coordinate construction method, the force center approximation method, the offset construction method. Correct answer is A, the box construction method. Question number 12. The non-isometric lines are located and sketched how? They are drawn parallel to the isometric axis. They are measured using the angle of multi-view. They are measured using a non-isometric template. They are located by determining the endpoints of the non-isometric line. The correct answer is D. Okay friends, they are located by determining the endpoints of the non-isometric line. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 30. फ्रेंड्स ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं और एमसीक्यूज के क्वेश्चंस हैं फ्रेंड्स, इसमें वैसे आप लोग इन क्वेश्चंस को रट लीजिए अच्छे से। इन टाइप के क्वेश्चंस ही आते हैं, इन क्वेश्चंस में कोई चेंज नहीं होता है, एज इट इज इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आप लोग को उठा के पूछ लेगा कि इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग में, कि मतलब कि इसमें आप लोग डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछें। जैसे यहाँ क्वेश्चन लिखा है इन एन ऑब्लिक स्केच ऑफ अ क्यूब, क्या होगा? तो फ्रेंड जैसे जो एज इट इज है, ये एज इट इज इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस एज इट इज उसमें पूछ लिए जाते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स इन क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग हल्के में मत लीजिएगा, ये बहुत मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके लिए। सो क्वेश्चन, चलिए फ्रेंड्स आगे बढ़ते हैं। फ्रेंड्स जो लोग इस चैनल पे नए हैं वो लोग इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाएं और इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन के साथ। इन अ ऑब्लिक स्केच ऑफ अ क्यूब, the frontal face appears in its true shape. B. Both receding axes are at 30 degree to the horizontal. C. All faces are equal distorted. D. The depth distances must be reduced. The correct answer is A. The frontal face appears in its true shape. Next question. Question number 14. In an oblique drawing, all of the following angles are commonly used for drawing the depth axis, except 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree or 90 degree. The correct answer is D. It's 90 degree. In an oblique drawing, the projection rays are drawn dash to each other and dash to the plane of projection. What is the option correct? Oblique, oblique, oblique or parallel, parallel or oblique, parallel and parallel. The correct answer is C. It's parallel and oblique. In If an oblique drawing, the projection rays are drawn the parallel to each other and oblique to the plane of projection. Question number 16. All of the following are processes as opposed to input or output in a manufacturing businesses, except A. Material, B. Planning, C. Documenting, D. Designing. The correct answer is A. Material. Following operations can make use of the CAD database, except designing, B. Marketing, C. Producing, D. None of the above. The correct answer is D. None of the above. Question number 18. Which of the following is the responsibility of the production manager? People, plant, process, all of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following would be the typical use of product data management? Tracking potential client by marketing, generating variation prelim design, searching for how many design used a particular fastener, evaluating the strength of the rib support on a cast piece. The correct answer is C. Searching for how many design used a particular fastener. Question number 20. Which design process involves responding to the emotional needs to the consumer? Aesthetic design, functional design, systematic design, or e-business? Correct answer is A. It's aesthetic design. Next question. Which network system gives outside vendor access to company internal network? Intranet, extranet, internet, outernet. Correct answer is B. It's extranet. All of the above, all of the following are the part of typical design team except A. Vendor, B. Quality control specialist, C. Manufacturing engineers, D. Accountant. The correct answer is D. Accountant. Question number 23. Which of the following input devices does not translate hand movements into instructions for the computer? Correct answer for the question is answer A. It's scanner. Scanner is the following input device that does not translate hand movements into the instruction for the computers. Question number 24. Which type of output devices creates images which looks and feels like a photographs? Electrostatic plotter, laser printer, dye sublimation printer, or inkjet plotter? The correct answer is C. Dye sublimation printer. Dye sublimation printer is the type of output device that creates image which looks and feel like photographs. Question number 25. Which tool can we use to draw a 90-degree angle? 30 by 60 triangle, protractor, drafting machine, all of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above can be used to draw a 90-degree angle. Which set of lead grades has a grade out of sequence? HP, B, 3B, option B, option C, or option D? The correct answer is B, 7B, H, F, and 3H. This set of lead grades has a grade out of sequence. Okay friends, so let's move on to the next question. Question number 27. Which type of line is a part of dimension? Break lines, phantom lines, extension lines, or cutting plane lines? Correct answer is C, extension line. Which type of line is particular to the section drawing? Break lines, phantom lines, extension lines, cutting plane lines. The correct answer is D. It's cutting lines. Cutting the plane lines is the type of line particular to the section of the drawing. Question number 29. Which angle cannot be made by either a 45 or 30 by 60 triangle or a combination of the two, 90, 70, 30 or 15? The correct answer is B, 70 degree. Next question, question number 30. A drawing instrument set usually contains all of the following except bow compass, scale, dividers, extra leads. Correct answer is B, scale. Question number 31. This type of projection is when projectors are parallel to each other but are at an angle other than the 90 degree to the plane of projection. Oblique projection, perpendicular projection, aesthetic projection, angular projection. The correct answer is option A. It's an oblique projection. Question number 32. Generally, the units used in an architectural drawing are set to what? Architecture, architectural, engineering, or metric, or the civil? The correct answer is A. It's architectural. Question number 33. A line drawing with a long section, short dash, and another long section is a hidden feature, center of circle, center of axis of a hidden cylinder, center of the radius. The correct answer is C, the center of axis of the hidden cylinder. Before starting an isometric drawing in AutoCAD, the drafter needs to set the grid to isometric, set the current layer of the depth points, turn object, snap off, turn ortho off. The correct answer is set the grid to isometric. Sorry friends. Okay, next question. A cylinder can be created by drawing a rectangular shape. Then, watch which tool? Revolve, sweep, extrude, none of them. The correct answer is A. It's revolve tool. Next question. The text height for room names should be set to what for drawing that will plot it to a scale of 1 by 4 equal to 1 0. Correct answer is C, 6 inch. Okay friends. In order to convert fractional inches into decimal inches, look on a metric conversion chart. Divide the numerator top number by the denominator bottom number. Check the engineering scale or all of the above. The correct answer is answer B. Divide the numerator top number by the denominator its bottom number. Therefore, it is the correct answer. Okay friends, next question. When lettering a CAD drawing for clarity, you should limit the number of fonts to 1, 2, 3 or any number. Correct answer is B. It's 2. The offset tool should only be used for placing what in an isometric drawing? Circle, horizontal line, vertical lines, none of the above. Correct answer is C. It's vertical line. The conceptual visual style tool is located on the what toolbar? Visual style, modify, 3D modeling, all of the above. Correct answer is answer A. It's visual style. Question number 41. The first step in creating a traditional technical drawing is to what? Draw a series of guidelines, set up the meter line, align the paper so that it will be positioned square to the parallel bar, sharpen the lead in the technical pens. The correct answer is C. Align in the paper so that it will position square to the parallel bar. Okay friends, let's move to this next question. To ensure that everyone understands what the electrical symbol represents, it is customary to include a what on the electrical sheet: list, parameter, electrical legend, or electrical layer. The correct answer is answer C, the electrical legend. Question number 43. The primary unit of measurement for engineering drawing and the design in the mechanical industries is millimeter, centimeter, meter, or kilometer. The correct answer is A, millimeter. Question number 44. In order to create an isometric circle to represent a hole through the top surface of a box, the drafter must ensure that the correct iso plane has been selected by scrolling through the isoplanes using the what keys? F1, F3, F5, or F8? The correct answer is C, F5 key. Okay friends, friends, be focused on the questions so that you can understand. मतलब दोस्तों आप लोग क्वेश्चंस पे आप लोग फोकस कीजिए किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं और उनके आंसर्स को ध्यान रखिए आप लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं The default position of UCS icon is positioned at what on the AutoCAD grid 000 10 10 10 20 20 20 or none of the above. The correct answer is 000 A line AB is on vertical plane of a projection plane. Which view from the following gives the actual length of the line AB? Front view, top view, side view, isometric view. The correct answer is answer A. It's front view. Okay, friends. Due to an line on the sorry, the expression for it that any line that lie or parallel to any plane in a projection plane, the true length will be found at the view which drawn onto that plane, that is here. The line is vertical plane, so the view which fall on vertical plane gives the true length which is other than the front view. So front view is the correct answer. Next question. A line AB is horizontal plane inclined to a vertical plane at 45 degrees. Which view from the following gives the actual length of the line AB? Front view, top view, side view, or isometric view? The correct answer is B, the top view. It is top view because any line that lie or parallel to any of the plane in projection plane, the true length will be founded at a view which drawn on to that plane, that is here. The line is horizontal plane through it is inclined with other plane. The true length will be given at view which fall on a horizontal plane, which is top view. The line PQ lie in both the vertical plane and profile plane. The front and the side view of that line coincide at vertical reference line. It's true or the false. The correct answer is A. It's true. Expression for it is given. A line present in both the planes, but it is known that the two perpendicular planes meet at a line which is reference line, so that given line might present on that line that coincide with that line. So the view also get coincides at that line. So that's why it is this option is true. Okay friends, let's move to the next question. If the line RS lie, if the line RS lie on both the vertical and horizontal plane, then which of the following two views coincide to give a line again? Front, top side, side isometric, isometric front. The correct answer is A, front top. Front top is a two view coincide to give a line again. It is because the isometric view is the three-dimensional of a solid are not only shown in the one view here given the line is present in the vertical and the horizontal planes, so the line will coincide in the front view and the top view. Okay friends, be focused and stay focused and do a proper study by focusing on the questions. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, ये 50 क्वेश्चन है फ्रेंड्स, ये बाय मिस्टेक है, यहाँ पे 6 लिखा हुआ है. सो फ्रेंड्स, इफ अ लाइन LM लाई ऑन अ, ये फ्रेंड्स इसको कट कर दीजिए, यहाँ पे ये फ्रेंड्स ये आप लोग का 50 क्वेश्चन है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, हाँ. So friends, if a line LM lies on a profile plane and a horizontal plane, then which of the following two views coincide to give a line again? A. Front top. B. Top side. C. Side isometric. D. Isometric of front. The correct answer is B. It's top side. The given the line LM is present in both the profile and horizontal planes, which are perpendicular, so the line will be at reference line formed between them. Also, the line will coincide with the view of the top and side. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you friends for watching this video. Friends, do like, share and subscribe this video. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.